What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy coming to you with mixed emotions. I was returning home from out of town today and heard the news over the radio, listening to gospel music on the way home after leaving Emporia, Virginia, and heard that Kobe Bryant had been suddenly taken away from us, you guys. I don't know the details. I don't like speaking on stuff I don't know about, but apparently he and his 13-year-old daughter were on board a helicopter that crashed in Calabasas, California, on his way to do good, to, help people. You guys, let's pray for his family, his friends, his loved ones, everybody who knew him, all of those who loved him from afar, just from seeing him on TV. We send our prayers out to you, your family, everyone involved, everybody on board. We wish you well. So, as Kobe would probably do, you keep going on in the midst of tragedy and things going on. You have to keep pressing forward. And I just wanted to continue to share with you on our Growing Succession series, our seeds. This is kind of going to be not serious video, but serious. We're paying respect to Mr. Bryant and his family at this moment. So I'm not going to be doing a lot of my silly antics. I love you guys. And I'm not a huge basketball fan, but I knew who Kobe was, and I loved watching him in general. So, you guys, continuing our series, I want to show you the seed germination a little bit further. I showed you the other day, and here we go today. We're going to be putting these in some soil, you guys. So, let me adjust the camera. Hope you guys can see. And again, I say we send in our prayers. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, you guys, look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? Yep, they have germinated. And these are our squash, our straight neck squash, you guys. Let me just pick one up. Put that in my hand. Can you see that? Yes. And these have been germinating for a few days. If you've been following the videos, you will see this is ready to go into the ground. And this is a good way of determining what are your best seeds and what aren't. So looking at these, I'm going to do 4. And this one are definitely one of my best ones. This one. Germination, you guys. And then this one came out pretty well. Yes. And then you can see some that didn't do so well, but they're still coming. Don't give up on them. Just leave them in the paper a little bit longer. So we're going to do 4 of our best. And this is number 4. Okay. And then we're going to leave the other 4 to germinate a little bit more. And I've already pre-packed some soil into my little grow containers, cleaned and sterilized. I'm just going to use the tip of my finger to make a hole. 3 and 4, just like that. And we're going to take our seed, and this one that's a little longer, we don't want to damage it. Just going to put it right in there. Just lay it in there. Don't press. Don't do anything. I'm sorry. Just lay it in there and just gently cover the soil back over it. Okay? We don't want to press and all that. Then I'm going to take this one, put it in the little hole I made, and just gently cover the dirt back over it like so that you can see the tip of the seed sticking out as it would have grown naturally. And then we're going to do number 3. And by the way, I hope you guys are having a blessed, growing, great, prosperous day. Again, just still shocked on the passing of Mr. Kobe Bryant, and we are praying for his family and everyone involved in this tragedy today, you guys. The Grammy Awards is going on, so things are just changing up. And that just brings me back to my original point. I made a statement the other day about, loving on your family and friends. Tell them that you love them. And I made a video, you guys, yesterday telling you that I love you and I appreciate you, and I mean that, because you just never know. And in that video, I stated, if I don't see you ever again, I just want you to know I appreciate you and I thank you for being here and just, being a part of the Skinny Boy Randy Farms. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. So we planted our 4 squash seeds. Got a little dirt on our paper towel, but it's okay. So we're going to cover these back up and let these 4 germinate some more. This is succession planting, you guys. So we're going to let these go a little bit longer. Back in our Ziploc. And now let's check on our cucumbers. And today makes, what is it, 72 hours, 36 hours? 48, yeah. No, we're in 72 hours. Oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow, you guys. Look. Can you see that? Now, this is gardening with no dirt. This is gardening with no soil whatsoever. This is how you can germinate your seeds. Now, you see this one here? Didn't do anything. So that tells us right there, not a good seed. And then, look at this though. Look at this here. And be very careful. Look at that. Can you see that? Cucumber. So we're going to take our best 4. It's 1. We have a lot of good ones on this one. It's 2. Mother Nature is so awesome, you guys. This is 3. And this one here looks pretty good. Has a green leaf on it. We really have 5. But we're just going to do 4 today for the video's sake. Okay. So we're going to fold these guys back up and let them germinate a little longer. So now again, I'm just going to do the same thing with the cucumbers. Take my fingertips, make a hole all the way up to the first line of my finger, not quite. There you go. So let's take our, I don't want to damage anything, so I'm being extremely careful, you guys, extremely careful. And just lay it in, let me show you. See it? I'm pretty much just going to let it fall where it wants to. Make this one a little deeper because this one grew a little longer. And just let it fall in there like that. And like I said, don't do a lot of pressing. Let the roots find their way. Then we're going to do another one like that. Let the roots find their way. They will find their way. Okay? Don't want to do a lot of packing. Take another one. Ooh, that one stretched out a little bit, so we want to give it room. And just put it in there like that. Cover it back up. And this is seed germination, you guys, made easy. You can start in your paper towels and then transfer to your cups. That way you know which seeds are actually going to grow. Okay? And I'm using the burpee seed starting mix out of the brick. I showed you how we made that. So I'm just using some more of that for these. And there you have it, you guys. Our cucumbers and our squash have germinated inside of our paper towels, and now we have transplanted them for the first time into their first home, which will probably be their last home before they go into the ground. Time is flying, you guys. It's going by so fast, it'll be spring before you know it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, hit the bell if you choose to. Follow me on Facebook, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Beginners and experts are welcome. Again, we are sending out our deepest condolences and our prayers to the family, friends, and everyone who knew Mr. Kobe Bryant. And to all of his fans, I feel for you guys too, because I know you loved him. He was a great inspiration for a lot of people. And I just pray for everybody involved, all 9. They're saying it's 9 now. I pray for everybody on there. So you guys, take care of each other. Live on each other. Love on each other. Enjoy your family and your friends while you have them here. Okay, so this concludes this video of transplanting the germinated seeds into their first home. Okay, So it's just Skinny Boy Randy. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. I love you guys. You are the best.